raw steel enters the system, ready to take its first form. Thousands of tons of pressure, shaping identity in a single strike. Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle. Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion.
Sealed against the elements. Built to endure. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Precision engineering ensures every joint is seamless, measured by our automated systems. A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle. Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica. Wiring harnesses are connected, powering every intelligent feature.
The laser scan shows a slight deviation in the gap alignment on the rear panel. Paint quality is optimal, however.
I'm logging the gap measurement now.
For urgency. Even the scarpings are even like the start of the period.
The sky becomes the highway. Speed
meets global demand.
Keep it centered on the yellow line.
Stopping at the lock point.
Engaging the forward restraints now.
Here are the keys to your new car. Congratulations.
Oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. I can't believe it's mine.